Hey, this is Steve back with the Austin Valley Railroad, and this is part 3 of my 3-part series of how to build a DC control panel. So as you see, this one's pretty much done. I bet the only thing I gotta do is just finish in Shelby Yard, and there won't be much to that. And then I gotta label everything, get everything labeled, so it'll help people know what and where and what track we're on and stuff like that. Yeah, I finally got all this done. Everything's working. Most of the wires are, all the wires, it's all wired up. It's ready to go. I still gotta straighten things up and kind of neatly make everything. One thing I learned from this one is don't use the dowel rod. It didn't turn out quite the way I thought it was going to. So on the next control panel, I'll probably do something different there. Like I said, I still got to get on there and tidy up the wires and all that. It's kind of, but it's really easy to open up like that and stuff. And I went through and I put little, I don't know if you can see them or not, I put these little color-coded knobs on my turnout switches. Each one of them will, like the yellow ones, will be for the main line. And the green one will be for like the yard leads, and the white one will be for the yard. I got that one done, and let me get turned down here. Of course, I got this one done. We've got the little yellow condoms on there anyway. And like I say, we got the white ones for the yard, green ones for the yard leads, and then yellow ones for the main track. So that's the project is done. We're going to wrap up this series. If you have any questions, leave any comments or email me or something, and I'll try to help you out if you need help. Hope you enjoyed this series, and I'm going to leave y'all with just a little bit of running, show you that yeah, it is working. So hope y'all enjoy it. Y'all take care. I'll see you just back here in just a minute. Hey, this is Steve. It's been a while since I did that first half of this video. As a matter of fact, it's been such a while that I've had time to get the track all running, and I got the control panel finished. Well, pretty much finished. I still got some more switches here to put in. Of course, these are just switch wires I've got to hook up. Still got to do like the engine facility, figure all that out. And a lot of you's probably seen my Roster train engines. They have way too many. You always need more track. I thought this would be enough, but really when it comes down to it, I'm going to need more track. But I'm out of real estate, so I don't know what I'm going to do for right now. I guess I just live with it. Just I could go through about 3 phases, you know, late steam, early diesel, mid diesel, and then late diesel. So I can have a ball with it. Anyway, I just wanted to finish up and show you this and show you that yeah, I did get the 3rd panel in and installed, and that was quite a job. It took me all this time to get everything wired. I've been busy trying to wire stuff, and plus it's been summertime, so I haven't really had a whole lot of chance to finish it up. So I've still a long ways to go, but at least I got the whole thing running. Everything runs. And if you're wondering what that is, I want some of you guys' input. Does this look tacky or anything? I couldn't see on the other side of the wall, so I thought, well, you know, I'll put a mirror, one of the convex truck mirrors there, and it really helps, because now, you know, if I got something derailed, I'm not sitting in here for 30 minutes waiting for the train to come around. I can actually get to the problem and get it taken care of. So let me know what you think about that idea. I don't know if I'll continue using it. I was also thinking about getting a camera and putting a camera back there with a little monitor in here where I can see what's going on. So I've still got a long ways to go, a lot more to do. But I wanted to get this video finished. I've been meaning to finish it for quite some time, but it being summer and everything going on, I just haven't had time to really finish it. Yeah, I got all my DCs going, so the DCC engines going anyway, so not all of them. I still have one more steam engine, this Athearn Challenger, but I'm having trouble with my steam engines. They're not wanting the rear pilot on every one of them. If it's not the rear pilot, it's the tender that's derailing, and on every one of them, except for maybe the old Southern Pacifics, they do okay. The best one I got, I don't know if you can see it over there, is a little Heritage Lifelike nickel plate railroad. That is probably one of the best engines I have altogether. Great running engine. I picked it up at a swap meet train show at Fayetteville. And like I say, it's one of the best engines I have. It's hard to see from here, but y'all can look back at some of my previous videos and stuff, and you can see it run. I've had it for a while. I've had it for 3 or 4 years, I guess now. So it does actually sure outdoes this $300 Athearn right here. I can't even hardly run it about once around the track, and it derails. About the same way with the 844. I wasn't real impressed with Cotto's job on that one. Like I say, the Cotto Southern Pacific's Daylight's a lot better engine, I think. That one bounces up and down like it's got an egg-shaped wheel or something like that. So if you guys, if any of you guys got a suggestion on what I can do about that, I'd appreciate it. But anyway, I've got more engines now. We got track, but everything's ready. I'm gonna get the engines off of here. I'm gonna start putting freight cars on here, and I'm gonna start working with it, seeing what kind of operations I can do. And of course, I've still got areas to finish. This whole area over here needs to be finished, the mine and stuff, and all that's got to be finished. But I can get the biggest part of it, and I can start having fun now. Guys, it's been taking a long time. I've been working on this since November, December probably, and here it is, July 27th, and just now pretty much getting it done where I can run trains on it now. Still got to go through and wire up a few turnouts in this section here only. That won't take me no time at all, so I ain't worried about that. Just a small step. Anyway, I wanted to let y'all see what's going on. It's kind of a second part of that how-to video on your control panels. So there they are. This control panel number 2, which y'all seen in the first segment. Control panel 3, which is almost finished. We still got a few more things to do. And of course, control panel number 3, which seems to be working excellent. No problems at all with it, guys. So anyway, I got a PNC in the Santa Fe running tonight. Just kind of show you guys that, yeah, it's running, but it all runs, all the yard tracks and everything. I have to come back in and make a couple of modifications, nothing severe. So just part of it, just a small bug out of all this. No more bugs than I've come across with. I've really been lucky, so I feel good. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all enjoy seeing my trains. And like I say, I'll be back a little more with the operations part of it, showing you what's going on. And there's not a whole lot to it. It's still a small railroad. I've had a lot of compliments on my yard. It's really, when it comes down to it, it's not as big as it looks. I thought it would be bigger until I put my engines on it. But there's only like five yard tracks. I've got the yard for the Missouri Pacific over there. It's a 5-track yard. And then this main yard here, I've got five yard tracks. It goes from one end to the other. I've got 2 arrival departures, a runaround track, and a caboose track. The caboose track is the one I've got to come in and modify do it a little bit differently. See if I can't make it a little bit longer. It's not quite long enough. Either that or I've got way too many cabooses. But anyway, hope y'all enjoy it. I'll take any of your suggestions, and thanks for all the subscribers. I really appreciate it. You know, I subscribe to all you guys that I can, and each time I come across one, I'll subscribe to you. So if you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe back. And I appreciate all the guys that's going to the Austin Valley Railroad Historical Society on Facebook. If you could join it. Like I say, the videos come on there first. They'll be on there a few days before I put them on anything other than YouTube. Of course, they'll be on YouTube first, but before they go to Facebook, they go into the Austin Valley Railroad. But anyway, if you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the box below. And I appreciate you guys watching. I really do. Y'all's a great bunch of guys. God bless y'all, and y'all have a good night. I'll leave you with some trains running and show you some of these other ones maybe up close if I can get to them. So y'all have a good night. Thank you.